Life can feel like a complex video game. Problems are unavoidable, but every problem is a chance to learn and grow. Solving problems makes you smarter and more confident. Problem solving is a skill anyone can master with practice. Investigate, gather clues, and crack the case. The more you practice, the more control you have. Problems become engaging puzzles you can solve. Ready to level up your skills? Let's dive in. Great detectives, whether in books or real life, all follow a similar process when they're trying to crack a case. And the good news is, you can too. This isn't just for solving mysteries, it's a powerful framework for tackling any challenge. Step 1, and this is crucial, identify the real problem. What's truly at the heart of the matter? Don't just scratch the surface. Dig deeper to find the root cause. What underlying issues are contributing to the problem? Step 2, gather clues. Become a master of information gathering. Collect facts, talk to people involved, get different perspectives, and truly understand the situation from all angles. Empathy is key here. Step 3, brainstorm solutions. Now it's time to get creative. List every idea that comes to mind, even the wild ones that seem impossible. Don't censor yourself. Step 4, weigh your options carefully. Which ideas are realistic, feasible, and most likely to work in the real world? Consider the pros and cons of each. Step 5, try your best solution. Pick the most promising option. Put your plan into action with energy and focus. Step 6, review the results objectively. Did it work as expected? What can you improve for next time? What did you learn from the process? This simple yet powerful process turns confusion and overwhelm into clear action and progress. With practice and consistent application, you'll solve problems faster, smarter, and with greater confidence. So let's see how this 6-step mission works when applied to a real-life situation. Let's step into a real-life scenario. Meet Maya. She and her brother are battling over the TV remote. Maya identifies the real issue. It's about the underlying needs. Both want to relax and feel respected. She gathers clues. The fights always happen around 4 o'clock. Maya brainstorms solutions, make a schedule, or compromise. The best idea? Make a schedule. Maya sits with her brother. She proposes a TV schedule. No more shouting matches. Both feel respected. She improved her relationship with her brother. That's the power of structured problem solving. Even with a plan, mistakes happen. Don't rush to solutions, investigate first, or you might solve the wrong problem. Always dig for the real issue, not just the obvious one. And remember, you don't have to do it alone. Asking for help is smart. Talk to parents, teachers, or friends. Sometimes, just explaining your problem out loud brings clarity. Every challenge is a chance to practice. If your first solution doesn't work, learn from it and try again. The more you practice, the easier it gets. Soon you'll see problems as puzzles, not obstacles. That's how you build confidence and resilience for life.